Good morning.
So we have full attendance at joining, right? 149, right? Including.
Yes.
Yes. Right. GDPR and the privacy sectors and cybersecurity as an employee or individuals working in the corporate domain, how you look into that. So before going to that, let me give a brief introduction of me and my company. We are an Indian cybersecurity solution. I started a company in 2016, focusing on providing cybersecurity training in this division. We catered into multiple colleges, found out that they are very much interested. I had a background from management, MBA and BBA, and then went into cybersecurity. I am a certified hacker, C8 certified hacker, and also an ISMS 27001 lead auditor. I look into the compliances part as well. Our company deals with cybersecurity services to the companies across the globe. So we have clients like KFC India, Titan India, Madhya Pradesh Grameen Bank, Qatar Development Bank, Mandhanchal Bank. So it caters around all the sectors across India and globe. We provide VAPT, vulnerability assessment and prevention testing as a service, and our focus always is on the training part. The corporate clients are Ericsson, LIC. We have been training them for last 2 years. We have also been training Lux Industries on cybersecurity as well. So let's get into the part of the technicalities. I'll not make it a boring session. Definitely, I would bring in more interactive opportunities with you all, and I will encourage, as told, to encourage be interactive. So I would expect interactions from all of you as the session progresses, and I'll make sure so some videos and some other interactive sessions also get into this, so that it doesn't become a boring session of cybersecurity all black and white, right? So let's dig deep.